Hey, hello everybody, it's Dr. Terry Zachary from Handmaster Plus. Hey, I'm standing down here in my basement. We just had a brilliant electrician set us up with a line that can take an electrical panel out to our backyard so we have supply for our backyard. And I thought to myself, wow, what a better chance to teach people about hand muscles. So if I look at this breaker box and I open up the panel, this is what I would think is like the hand. You open it up and you look and you go, wow, that's pretty complicated on its own. I don't know if I want to get to know that. And it is very complicated. That's why they have specialty hand surgeons and specialty hand therapists. Every one of these breakers has a connection to some component of our house, whether it's a light switch, electrical plug-in, our stove, our washer and dryer, our furnace. Anything that goes wrong here is going to affect the function of the places where it connects. Well, now that's the same as the hand muscles. The hand muscles, which there's 18 of them, they connect onto the fingers, the thumb, the carpal tunnel, the wrist, the forearm, and the elbow. So anytime we have hand muscle imbalance or problems with the hand muscles or the hand itself, we are going to have problems at all the places that those muscles and tendons reach to and therefore affect the function of. So when we look at the hand has 9 muscles that close it. Now traditionally we've always thought of those as the only muscles in the hand. You close something and that's enough. But the problem is we also have 9 muscles that open the hand that are attached on the back of the fingers, thumb, hand, wrist, carpal tunnel, forearm, and elbow. The hand really is in a world of its own. If we want to train a bicep, we're really training a single muscle group, maybe multiple heads that there is in the bicep, but really only one muscle group. When we train the hands, we're training 18 muscles. In our world today, there is a lot of repetitive gripping. We repetitively grip in our workplace, just with our cell phones, on our computer, in our sport, in our music. It is rampant, and these 18 muscles are getting out of balance with almost everybody unless they've taken a real conscious effort to address this. So get your hands strong, stable, healthy, and balanced. Handmaster Plus makes it super easy. Go check it out at handmasterplus.com. Follow our videos. If you have any questions, contact us at info@docsac.com. We're happy to help. This is what we do. This is a forgotten area, but it's a vital area, just like this part of your house.